Right, welcome back to D.I.Y. Saturday, just got back from work, really bored, so come up with a plan. You might notice I got rid of the intro, just not needed. Get straight into the action, you know what I mean? Let me just show you my Acer, my little baby Acer. The colour of it, it's like a vivid pink, it's got its winter colours on, stunning. In another 165 years, think about it, that's going to be like up here. It's going to be lovely. Guess the new tenant's going to enjoy it. Right. Yeah, so I was just thinking, oh, these are alright. Nothing interesting going on here. They're quite lively still. Yeah, so I don't know what the water temp is actually. I think it's about 8 degrees or something in there at the moment. But, yeah, they're all doing good. But yeah, so anyway, I went to clean the filter. You know, this ongoing drain away thing that I've made. So the other day when it was raining hard, I couldn't actually clean the filter because it was all flooded down here. So I was going to buy a sump pump because they're about, I think they're like 35 quid. They're quite cheap. You only need a little one. So yeah, so I saw this idea on Progressive Pond Keeping, so credit to Leon. Credit where credit's due. So I was going to buy a sump pump, okay, and run it. So run it from here down here. It's carnage down here. I'll keep saying I'm going to clean all this up, but so there's a drain down here. So if I can get, I haven't actually got any flexi pipe. I've only got the really tough stuff. But anyway, yeah, I could easily get a pipe in there, drain that away. So what I was thinking, the old float switch, I'm not pump fed anymore, so it's not gravity fed. I was thinking, how hard can it be? Get your float switch, didn't you? And then I remember when I picked up the Cottony Coy multi-bay, come with a pump, so I've got a spare pump. In here, total carnage in here. Yeah. So up here is Cottony Coy. Just put it out in the light. Cottony Coy pump. So I was thinking, just wire it up as you would in your pond. So actually, I don't even know if this works. I mean, it is super powerful, 12,000 litres an hour. But it don't matter. I'm just blasting it. I mean, I could get a smaller pump, but I just want to see if it'll work. So yeah, instead of buying a sump pump, I can wire this up with the float switch. Yeah, stick that in the bottom, make some kind of bracket to hold the float switch up, and then yeah, we'll go from there. See how I get on. Oh, food wise, I'm not going JPD. I just think it's a waste of money. I don't see any improvements in the winter. I just got some Medicoit, big 5 kilo tub. Bucket's huge. The pellets go up to here. I don't know why the size. Look, in comparison of a little 2 kilo bucket, it's yeah, don't get it. Yeah, that'll do me for a few months, I'd say. Right, anyway, yeah. So I'm going to get back to you soon. Cheers. Right, I'm getting to it now. So, yeah, find all the right bits and pieces. I'm just going to check this temperature quickly, actually. Good. What is that? 0, 1, 2, 4. Yeah, 8 degrees, as I said. Anyway, right, so plan is right, So hip rated box, stick it on there, chocky block in there. On a switch box, everybody loves a switch box, don't they? Not. So that'd be your power in, and then I'll go from there. Obviously, yeah. So your power in, that'll come in here, and then I'd wire, and then I need to wire the pump and the float switch to this chocky block in here. But it's been so long, I've forgotten how to do it. So I'm probably gonna have to watch D.I.Y's video on it. Job's a good one, and I'll get back to you. Well, what palaver that was. Right, yeah, I did actually go back and watch D.I.Y's video on this. Yeah, you meant to have a 5 block. I've only got a 4 block, but you just got to make this, because it's not, the blue wire on the float's not used, so I just tape that up. That's all I've done. But yeah, I hope I got it right. Fireworks night's been and gone. We don't need any more fireworks. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'll tell you what I could do with a laugh though. Right, yeah, so I'm going to get that on the wall, and then just drop that, dump some water. Actually no, I'll turn it on first, make sure it don't blow up, and then yeah, we'll see if it works. I'll just put a bit of, I haven't actually got the pipe for this. What a lovely fit that, isn't it? It was meant to be there. So we'll just get pipe on a bit of elbow or something, and then I'll have to order some, or I'll just go to the shop and get some. Yeah, so far so good. Let me just clean this up, and we're losing the light. It's only like 3 o'clock, but yeah, what a palaver that was. Anyway, it's cracking on. Right, sorry guys and girls, no fireworks. It's actually working. Right, so yeah, so obviously, yeah, power's off. If I tilt this up, yeah, I can see it spinning, so pump does work. And then off, on. Right, so I don't know how, I'm gonna have to tether this somehow, aren't I? It's just gonna be trial and error, so I'm gonna have to like, yeah, I think we should fill this up and then just see what happens. So put a little bit of pipe on there and then go from there. Cheers. Right, this is total carnage. So obviously it's not gonna look like this. Just for the video purposes. Anyway, let's drop this. Completely missing the hole. Slow that down a bit. It's just going to be trying now. Like I say, I'm going to have to tether this float. Come on. Still not kicked in. There we go. Hey! A flow on that, son. So it works. Well, it's absolutely fine. You've just got to, obviously, let's get that float in the best position possible. Look at that. And then it cuts out. Lovely job. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, so you've got a spare pump lying around and a float switch. get on it. It's, I mean, it's not so bad for people with small gardens. If you've got a big garden, you've got a big run, do you know what I mean? It's definitely worth having a go. Save yourself a bit of money if you've got a spare pump. And anyway, yeah, I've got to clean up because look at the mess I make for you lot. Anyway, catch you later. Cheers.